What's up? It's your boy Zio or the Mofo. And welcome back to and yeah, I'm just gonna film my couple of days at the beach, and I'm gonna put different parts. I'm just gonna put vlog. I'm just gonna film everything and enjoy this. I think it's gonna be great videos. Peace. So right now, guys, we're gonna try to do some kayaking, and yeah, let's do it.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right.
Here we are.
Take a chance, will you let me ride?
I get it.
Oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Okay, follow. Z-A-O, the Mofo. Z-A-O, the Mofo. Yes, Z-A-O, the Mofo. Yes. Z-A-O. Z-A-O. The Mofo. Mofo. Z-A-O, the Mofo. Okay, bye.
What's up? What's up? I'm at my friend's house.
Yo, say hi to the vlog.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
Get me a chips. Go get me a Lay's.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. Baby, let's take a drive, take a
So guys, as you can see, this guy named Elon and Noam, well, those guys, they literally wasted my charge. So my GoPro was absolutely dead. So I had no footage of me riding a jet ski, of me doing every other stuff, like doing stuff at the beach and stuff, I have no charge on my GoPro. So it takes them, but I have a few clips of me doing stuff on my phone. But check this. I just rode a jet ski, bro. It was crazy out here, bro. The jet ski, oh, it was crazy, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It was insane, like crazy that stuff.